Learn English with Daily Glowing English Podcast. Welcome back to Glowing English. I am so glad you are joining us today. If you want to speak English fluently and feel confident at work, you are in the exact right place.
That is right. Welcome, everyone. Today we have a very special episode for you. We're going to look at a full day in the life of a professional working in an office.
We know that business English can feel intimidating. Many learners do great with formal vocabulary, but they freeze up when it comes to daily office conversations.
Exactly. Formal meetings are one thing, but what about the small talk by the coffee machine? What about quick updates with your desk neighbor? That's where real communication happens.
So in today's lesson, we're going to act out realistic conversations throughout a typical workday. I'm playing the role of Jihad, and my co-host here is playing Santi.
Yes, you'll hear how Jihad and Santi interact from the moment they step into the office in the morning until they pack up their bags to go home.
Pay close attention to how we speak. We'll use simple sentences, but we'll include powerful phrases and idioms that native speakers use every single day.
Before we start, here's a quick tip. Try to repeat the phrases out loud after you hear us say them. Shadowing our voices will help your pronunciation and your confidence.
Okay. Good morning, Santi.
Oh, morning, Jihad. How's your morning going so far?
Not bad at all, thanks. Just trying to wake up. Is the coffee ready?
Almost. It's brewing right now. You look like you need a cup.
I really do. I stayed up a bit too late last night. I'm just getting settled in.
I know that feeling. By the way, did you catch that email from earlier? The one sent by our manager around 8 this morning?
Oh no, I haven't opened my inbox yet. Was it important?
Nothing to worry about. She just pushed back our morning sync to 10 o'clock instead of 9.
Whew, that's a relief. That gives me time to finish my morning reports and grab this coffee.
Perfect timing. Here, the pot is full now. Help yourself.
Thanks, Auntie. Let's head over to our desks.
That was our first scene. Notice how natural and friendly that small talk was. Let's break down 3 key phrases from that conversation.
The first phrase was, "How's your morning going?" This is a casual, friendly way to greet someone in the morning. It's softer and more conversational than simply saying, "How are you?"
The second phrase was, "I'm just getting settled in." What does getting settled in mean, Jihad?
It means arriving at your desk, taking off your coat, turning on your computer, and getting ready to start work. It's the transition period before deep work begins.
That's super useful. And the third phrase was, "Did you catch that email?" Here, catch means to see or read. It's common to ask someone if they caught a message or an update.
By the way, if you're enjoying this episode so far and finding these phrases helpful, please take 2 seconds to like this video and subscribe to Glowing English. It helps our channel grow so we can keep making free lessons for you.
Yes, hitting that subscribe button makes a huge difference for us. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's move to the next part of the workday.
Okay, let's see. Emails look manageable today.
Hey, Jihad, do you have a quick minute?
Oh, hi, Santi. Honestly, I'm currently tied up with this monthly budget report. Can it wait about half an hour?
Oh, totally. I don't want to interrupt your focus. I just need some help with the new software update when you're free.
No problem at all. Let's circle back to this later, right after I send this report to finance.
Sounds like a plan. Could you walk me through this new layout once you're done? I find the new dashboard a bit confusing.
Absolutely. I'll walk you through it step by step. Give me 20 minutes and I'll come over to your desk.
Perfect. Thanks, Jihad.
In that scene, we used phrases that help you manage your time and ask for assistance politely.
Let's look at "I'm currently tied up with something." When you say you're currently tied up with something, it means you're very busy with a task and can't take on anything else right that moment.
It's much more professional than simply saying, I'm busy, go away. It shows you're actively working on a priority.
Next, we heard, let's circle back to this later. Circle back is a classic office phrasal verb. It means to return to a topic or task at a later time.
And lastly, we heard, could you walk me through this? To walk someone through a process means to explain it clearly, step by step, while showing them how to do it. Okay, Santi, I just sent off that report. I have some time now. Let's look at that new software layout together.
Oh, awesome. Thank you for coming over. See this new screen? I can't find where our client files are stored.
Ah, I see. They changed the design yesterday. First, click on the icon on the top left, the one that looks like a blue folder.
Okay, clicked it. Nothing popped up.
Right, now double-click on the tab that says Share Drive.
Oh, wow, there they are. That was so simple. I was looking at the bottom toolbar the whole time.
Don't worry about it. It took me 10 minutes to figure that out yesterday morning. The new design is not very intuitive.
I agree. Thanks for showing me. Now I can finish inputting these client notes.
Happy to help. Let me know if you get stuck on anything else.
1 o'clock already. Time flies when you're busy.
It really does. Are you heading out for lunch, Santi, or did you bring food today?
I forgot my lunchbox on the kitchen counter today, so I'm going to grab something nearby. Do you want to join me?
Sure, I'd love to get away from my screen for an hour. Where are you thinking of going?
Have you tried that new salad and sandwich place down the street? The one next to the bookstore.
Oh, the Green Corner? No, I have not been there yet. Is it good?
My roommate went last week and said their chicken pesto sandwich is amazing.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. Let us go check it out. This place is really nice and bright. Good pick, Santi.
Thanks. So, John, do you have any fun plans for the upcoming weekend?
Actually, yes. I am planning a small trip with my family. We are going to visit my grandparents in the countryside.
Oh, that sounds so peaceful. How long has it been since you last saw them?
Almost 6 months, so I'm really looking forward to it. How about you? Any weekend plans?
Nothing major. I'm probably just going to catch up on some reading and maybe watch a movie. Have you seen any good movies lately?
I watched the documentary on nature last night. It was fascinating, but it made me fall asleep pretty quickly.
Sometimes those are the best kinds of movies after a long workday. Lunch talk is essential for building relationships at work. Notice how we switched from work tasks to personal lives seamlessly.
Exactly. In a lunch setting, you don't talk about deadlines or reports. You ask open-ended questions like, do you have any fun plans for the weekend? Or have you tried that new spot?
It keeps the atmosphere friendly and relaxed. Building strong social ties with your teammates makes working together so much smoother.
Now, let us practice a longer interaction between two colleagues working closely on a deadline. Imagine it's 3 in the afternoon.
The afternoon slump is real. You feel a little tired, but you still have important tasks to complete.
Santi, do you have a second to review the slide deck for tomorrow's presentation?
Sure thing, Jahad. Pull up a chair. What parts are you worried about?
Slide 4 and slide 7. Slide 4 has a lot of numbers, and I want to make sure the data is clear.
Let's take a look. I think slide 4 has too much text. We should use a simple pie chart instead of 3 big paragraphs.
That's a great suggestion. Charts are much easier for people to read quickly during a meeting. What about slide 7?
Slide 7 looks good, but the font size is a bit small. People in the back of the room might struggle to read it.
Good point. I'll increase the font size to 24. Anything else?
Just make sure to double-check the spelling on the final slide. Other than that, you're in great shape.
Thanks a lot, Santi. Your feedback was super helpful.
Sound of paper shuffling, closing a notebook. Wow, 5:30 already. The day flew by.
It really did. How are your tasks looking for the day, Santi?
Everything is on track for tomorrow. I just finished sending out those final emails to the design team. How about your presentation?
All done. I fixed the slides based on your notes and everything is saved on the cloud. I'm calling it a day.
Nice work. You earned a restful evening.
Thanks, Santi. See you first thing in the morning.
See you tomorrow, Jihad. Have a great night.
Now, as promised, let's dive into some advanced vocabulary that appear throughout our conversations today. Understanding these words will elevate your professional English significantly.
Our first word is intuitive. Spell it INTUITIVE. In our conversation, Jihad mentioned that the new software layout was not very intuitive.
Intuitive means easy to use or understand without needing special training or instruction. If a software is intuitive, you can guess how to use it naturally.
Our second word is seamlessly. SEEMLESSYL. We talked about switching seamlessly from work topics to casual lunch talk.
Seamlessly means smoothly and without any obvious interruptions, problems, or awkward transitions.
Our third word is prioritize. PRIORITIZE. To prioritize means to arrange tasks in order of importance so that you handle the most critical ones first.
For example, I need to prioritize this budget report because my manager needs it by noon.
Our fourth word is collaboration. COLLABORATION. Collaboration is the act of working together with one or more people to produce or create something.
Office life relies heavily on collaboration. Working together with Santi on those presentation slides was a great example of team collaboration.
And our fifth word is feedback. FEEDBACK. Feedback refers to helpful information or constructive criticism given to someone about their work or performance.
Asking for feedback and accepting it gracefully is one of the most important skills in any workplace.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. We covered a full day in the life of an office professional, from morning greetings to afternoon collaboration and end-of-day wrap-ups.
Remember, mastering conversational English takes practice. Re-listen to this episode, speak along with us, and try using these phrases in your daily work or practice routines.
Don't forget to subscribe to Glowing English so you never miss a new lesson. Make sure to visit our channel page for more full-length podcasts, vocabulary guides, and speaking exercises.
Thank you all so much for listening and learning with us today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.